Hi, friends. I'm retired pastor, teacher, and theologian Papa Dale. Today's Bible quick is not so quick at this. They eat their neighbors. They eat their neighbors. Yeah, you heard me right. So, I hope to teach you something you might not have known before. Please listen, but I want you to be skeptical and check me out, check everybody out who says they're going to teach you something about the Bible. Listen, but be skeptical and compare everything that any Bible teacher teaches to what the Bible actually says. It's got to be consistent, it's got to be congruent, and it's got to interface with the entire teaching of the whole Bible. Can't twist it, can't pound pieces like a jigsaw puzzle to make them fit. It's got to fit. So, let's talk about they eat their neighbors. British philosopher and atheist Bertrand Russell was debating Frederick Cobblestone on the necessity of God as the basis for morality. At one point, Cobblestone looks at him and says, "Lord Russell, do you believe in good and bad?" And Lord Russell said, "Yes." So Cobblestone asked him, "How do you differentiate between good and bad?" And Bertrand Russell says, "The same way I differentiate between blue and green, or yellow and green." And Cobblestone said, "Well, wait, just a minute. You differentiate between yellow and green by seeing, don't you?" And Bertrand Russell said, "Yes." Well, Cobblestone asked, "Then how do you differentiate between good and bad?" Now here, this brilliant mathematician and philosopher who looks at Cobblestone and says, quote, "I differentiate on those matters on the basis of my feeling." What else? Now, Cobblestone was a kind man, I think. If Bertrand Russell had said that to me, I would have had a very simple response for him. I'd have said, "Lord Russell, on the basis of feeling, in some cultures they love their neighbors, and in other cultures they eat them. Do you have any personal preference?" The point is, unless there is an objective point of reference for morality, there is no way to affirm or condemn anything. If all morality is simply defined by feeling, Hitler was just as moral as Mother Teresa. Think about that one. So if you have comments, questions, or prayer requests, you can leave them in the comments section down below. There is a link there to my Facebook page if you'd like to connect with me there. There is a link also there to this lesson if you'd like to go back and read it over in print. And this is your old pal Papa Dale saying, if the Lord lets me upload another video, I will. And if he doesn't, if this is the last one, then you won't see me anymore. But if I do upload another video, I'll see you then. And until then, this is your old pal Papa Dale signing off for now and saying, I will be praying for you that you'll be well, that you'll be blessed. And that's 2 thumbs up for you.